I tried 6 barbecue pork buns in Chinatown from 5 different to-go places. Which one is the best? Good Mongkok Bakery, 1039 Stockton Street. This is the only place with both baked and steamed barbecue pork buns. However, baked ones are cold, whereas the steamed ones are at least warm. Baked, solid B. Steamed, too much bun, call this a C. New Hollywood Bakery and Restaurant, 652 Pacific Avenue. This is a full-service restaurant in addition to the bakery, and definitely try out some of their other items. The barbecue pork buns here are baked and a bit costlier, but looks like it does have a little more filling, and due to making multiple batches during the day, is often available nice and warm. Grade A if you get them warm. Stockton Bakery, 1049 Stockton Street. Formerly known as Napoleon Super Bakery, they draped a new banner over the old one and kept on operating. Baked barbecue pork buns are a little flat and cold, but seems to have decent fillings. Make it B. Delicious Dim Sum, 752 Jackson Street, mainly famous for their beef siumai. Their steamed barbecue pork buns, however, seems to have very little filling and a lot of buns. C. Wong Lee Bakery, 732 Jackson Street. Looks a bit dark and dingy inside. Wong Lee Bakery nonetheless serves decent food. Baked barbecue pork buns are decent. Call it a B. So there you have it, folks. Grade A, New Hollywood. Grade B, everybody else who has baked barbecue pork buns. And grade C, everybody else who has steamed pork buns. Really didn't taste much of a difference. Do you agree with my ratings?